Facebook Ad Manager is a place or a dashboard or an interface where we can create, manage, and see the performance of our campaigns. It is important to familiarize yourself with this area as a lot of time will be spent here. It can look a bit intimidating, but after you have familiarized yourself, you will start to feel more comfortable. So let us briefly explore Facebook Ad Manager. So once you are in your Ad Manager, on the left, if you toggle here, you're going to see different business managers. If you have multiple of them, it is important to be on the right business manager account. So once you are there, it is important in that business manager that you are in the right ad account. So if you have multiple ad accounts, you will need to choose the right one. You can also switch between the ad accounts. So there is a business manager here and the associated ad account is here. Then another business manager is here. The associated ad account is here, and then so on. The green button, if you click here, you will start to create the campaign. We will talk about campaign, how to create and build that on another video. So this is the campaign area. So there is the campaign area here, and then you have the ad set area, which is this one, and then you have the ad area. The campaign area deals with whatever is the goal or objective of your campaign. In the ad set area, you have some settings and targeting. And in the ad area, you are going to have the image or video and the written words that you will need to put on your ads. On the extreme right, you can see the dates. So when you are analyzing your campaign, you may need to see the campaign within a certain date. Let's say, for example, you want to see the performance of the last 4 days. So you select the 4 days and then you update and you can see the performance and stuff. So altogether you have spent, let's say, $400 and you have around between 25 and 30 sales over here. You have generated around $37 or $3,800 over here. On an average, we have 9.51 ROAS. So for every $1 we are spending, we are getting back $9.51 back. Seeing the dates correctly is important. And then you can see the performance of individual campaign, ad sets and ads as well. On this column, you can see the metrics, how you want them to see. So right now you see these are the metrics that you are seeing. These are the metrics. So if you want to see another metric, let's say engagement metrics that is set up by default by Facebook. So these are the engagement metrics. And then you have performance and clicks. If you click here, these are the metrics that is set up by Facebook. Oftentimes, these metrics will not be useful. You will need to create your own metrics. So you can customize your metrics here. On this topic, I'll make a video in the future, or a video is already made on this topic that will be added in the description. And then if you have custom metrics already, you're going to find them here. So for example, we do a purchase metrics, or let's say we do profit and loss metrics. So this has been set up by us. On the right, you have breakdown. So let's say we want to see the breakdown of campaign number, this one. And then we see the breakdown. You can see different breakdowns. So let's see the breakdown of the ages that are buying. So you see the age between 18 and 24 have bought most of the products. And then between 25 and 34 bought the least product. So you can see different breakdown however you want. If you want to see the geographical breakdown, you can see the delivery breakdown. You can see different breakdowns. So for that you need to go to the ad section. And then if you click here, you can see different breakdowns here. Breakdown by time. After that you have reports. So if you want to download Excel sheet and if you want to read the data there, you can download them over here. You can make the reports and download. If you want to directly download, you can export it over here. In the report tab, if you go to create a report, it will take you to another windows and then you can customize how you want to see the reporting. On the right, we have search and filter. So if you want to see a certain things within your ad account or campaigns, you can see that. For example, so let's say among all the 93 campaigns, I'd like to see which campaign is doing lead campaign. So I'm selecting objective as, let's select lead and then apply. So out of the 93 campaigns, I have one campaign where the objective is lead. Filter and see things over here. So if this area is a bit intimidating, don't be. I am putting out many videos. If you watch them, most probably you will simplify this area for you. I will be simplifying this area for you. And if you look around here, toggle between different things, click different stuffs and see, you will get to feel more comfortable around this area. If you are an ad manager or if you are using Facebook ads, most of your time will be spent here. So it is necessary that you know this area really well. So that's it for this video. Write in the comment, was this video useful? If you have any question, you can also put that in the comment. Subscribe to this channel if you'd like to get more videos on Meta and Instagram ad campaigns.